Well, the Supreme Court yesterday morning ruled that unions cannot collect dues from families caring for sick relatives. One of the plaintiffs is Susan Watts, a mother who accepted funding under a state program to help care for her daughter with severe cerebral palsy. She was forced to join and pay union dues for a union she didn't want to belong to. She says the legal battle is not yet over, and Susie Watts joins us live today from Chicago. Good morning to you and congratulations.
Well, thank you. Good morning, and thank you for having me.
When you found out that to get the money to help to provide for your child, you were going to have to join a union, did you think people were kidding you?
Well, to be honest with you, in the 8 years that my daughter's been a member of this program, I've never heard from the state in any form of communication that I had to have a relationship with the union. It was when I received my first paycheck that I saw the non-member dues being taken out and had to look at the contract to find out that I was paying my fair share for a union that I didn't want to be a member of.
Well, why didn't you want to be a member of this SEIU union?
Well, because my daughter, due to her significant disabilities of having severe cerebral palsy, qualified for the Medicaid waiver in order to have someone, a personal assistant, help her, and I get to be that personal assistant. And I am a licensed therapist in the state of Illinois. I'm a senior disability analyst, and I didn't have a need for their training. I didn't have a need for their education, and I had no desire to be part of a union and have them interfere in my home. My desire was to take care of my daughter in my home and keep her in our community.
Sure, I can completely understand that. We've got your paycheck stub, and it shows non-member fees where $28.44 was taken out every time you got a check. And of course, that money, all through the years, is a lot of money. And that could be money used to care for your daughter rather than line the pockets of a union.
Well said. Well put.
Okay.
You're right.
Yeah, for years now, you have been paying into this union. Now what's going to happen? Are you going to get your money back?
Well, as of yesterday, the Supreme Court understood that our role as parents is to care for our adult children with disabilities in our homes, and that it's not necessary to have a union involved. So that next step is yet to be determined. We're hopeful that we'll see how that's implemented. They ruled in our favor, but it's brand new. We have to let the dust settle and see where that leads and what the union's next step is. I don't know when to anticipate or expect that those non-member dues will be dropped from my paycheck.
Surely. There's a possibility, Susie, you're going to have to sue to get the money back. You've been through a long and torturous court process right now. Are you up for that battle now to get your money back?
Well, I'll tell you, I'm grateful. We were overwhelmed and elated yesterday, but I'm also thankful and grateful because it was the National Right to Work Foundation and Bill Messenger that carried our case to the Supreme Court. So certainly we would, look to them.
Absolutely. Well, you're doing a good thing taking care of your child there at your home, and it's great news that the Supreme Court feels you should not have to pay union dues in your situation. Susie Watts, thank you very much, and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
You bet. All right.